In today's video, we are going to do 2 feed-in braids on 4C hair with no heat applied. Bum, bum, bum. I'm probably crazy because this is my first time doing this. I've never braided my hair with braiding hair, let alone feed-in. Let alone it's not blow dried, but I am ambitious. So we're going to try. I already see myself just like cursing into the wind at how difficult this is, but hey, I got work in the morning, I need my hair done. Right now, I got it in these little Travis Scott type braids, feel me? But I didn't want to use heat and I needed it stretched for sure because it by itself is just like a little sponge, right? So this at least might help, you know? So I was watching a bunch of tutorials, and I mean like a bunch of tutorials on how I can possibly do this. And it looks like I need the following things. I need hella product, and hella product. It requires so much product to get this laid, or even look even close to laid, because it'll still look wavy. But my thing is, like, even when I blow dried my hair and I had like my braiding girl do it, it would just wave up anyways from the product. Maybe because the type of gel, or maybe the fact that my 4C hair is resentless, but yeah, I don't think that this will be any more different. Here it is, stretched, you know, at least better than shriveled state. Okay, so I've got this half out, and just for the sake of sanity, I think I'm not even gonna go back in and fix the line, or do I? Not the worst. I think I can rock with that. So I've got my products. I'm gonna use some Eco Styler Gel, and I'm fully aware that this will curl my hair back up. It is like putting water on my head, but I need this for this next product. This is an edge tamer. It's an extra hold, like super tight, like your edges are basically like turned to stone type of like edge tamer. And I don't know, like, it says Hollywood Glam Lifestyle. I got this as like a freebie back in college, and I just never used it like that until now. So if I wanted to re-up on this, like, I have no idea where to go. And then I've got my brush to smooth back down this stuff. This is the braiding hair. This is X-pression Premium Ultra Braid, and it comes in like the 3-pack with the pre-stretched and all that jazz, so grab and go. So I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna start separating them. Pre-stretched. This is in like a red color. I don't even know if it says it on here. It says 2T1B/130S on there, so it was a red that I used for some box braids, and I had this pack left over. Take off the rubber band. And then I think what I'm gonna do, because I want to use like one of those, like a bundle and a half. So I'm going to split this one in half and see if that'll work. Splitting it in two down the middle. So this is gonna be one entire braid. Feed in braids, right? Start small. Then it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, so the way that I split it, it's in 7 pieces. So let me show you. This one's the thinnest. Then it's going bigger and bigger and bigger. And then the other pieces that I have over there are getting bigger and bigger. I'm not gonna put all that on my arm, but yeah, it's getting bigger. This would be the thinnest, and then this would be the thickest. Here we go. The fun part. Hella eco and hella extra hard hair hold. So cold. Ah. Okay, I started my braid. About to put in the first one. Let's see how doable this is. My hair is too tangled. Oh man. Plus, I don't think that's where I want my hair to be. I wanted it to be more like... Oh my god. This already looks like this is gonna be a disaster, y'all. I'm gonna keep trying. But this is really difficult. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh, God. I'm not even gonna try to continue this. This is way too tangled. Ouch. Okay, y'all, some tad bit of heartbreak, a dead battery, stopping, and then going. We have this, which I will insert a picture because I realize that you may not be able to see everything closely. But not bad for first time, not bad at all. I'm gonna attempt to do the second side. I hope it's a bit more smoother than the first side. Now we're going to start to put in our products. see what happens when I lay down the edge control first and then add the eco. I'm not sure if there'll be a difference. Let's see. Oh yeah, there is a huge difference. This is going way better than the other side so far. I can definitely assure you of that. Let's see. I'm gonna go use my bathroom mirror. See how far I'm going. So far so good, guys. The hardest part is my tangly ass hair. Oh my god. This is a workout, let me tell you. Okay, here they are, 2 braids. My first 2 braids ever on camera for you guys to see. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Even though they're not done like perfectly, like it's still hella impressive that I did this. Like I'm happy with this, like even if it doesn't look a mess. It's whatever. I'm gonna go hot water dip them and be right back. Okay guys, final braids, nice and lax from the hot water. If you enjoyed this video or if it entertained you or brought you some knowledge, drop me a like, comment down below if you would like to see more content like this. This was so much fun, and honestly I do a lot of this stuff off camera anyways, and I could definitely bring it on camera for you guys if you'd like to see stuff like this. I'm out. Till next time. Bye.